Hi, in the last lesson I have discussed basic of these 4 sections. In this lesson I will show you how you can make videos from scripts. So let's go. So here first you will see any script editor and you have to write your scripts. So if you give a name, for example, if I want to make a video on Turkey's tourist destination, first I have to give a name, enter your video name. This can be like Turkey's, you can give any name, Turkey's tourist destination, and then you can write your own script here. For example, you can write about 5 most tourist destinations of Turkey and then give a few descriptions to show it as a subtitle, and then you can use a voiceover. So here you can copy and paste your scripts. If you write in doc file, then you can copy and paste here. Alternatively, in the era of ChatGPT, we can do it easily with the ChatGPT. If you write best tourist destinations of Turkey, then ChatGPT will give you names and a little description of best tourist destinations of Turkey. You can see that ChatGPT is producing text. You can edit this text later on. Let's see how many destinations ChatGPT can produce. So I think all of you know about ChatGPT, but if you don't know, you can log into chat.openai.com and then you can produce tremendously good text and articles from here. So you have got a text, and what you have to do, you have to copy it and then paste in the script board. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So you can see I have pasted the text in the script editor, and then we can proceed to the next stage. Here you can use the scene settings. If you want Pictory auto highlight keywords, then you can toggle the button. So if you want Pictory AI to auto highlight keywords, you can turn it on. Auto visuals selection, then it will automatically select. Create new scenes on, sentence breaks, full stop, line breaks, enter, and both. Pictory itself is an artificial intelligent video production platform, and ChatGPT also an artificial intelligence. So this is the time of artificial intelligence, and you can grow your business and your channels with artificial intelligence. Here you can see these highlights. You can mark your own highlights and paste. So let's use one. Istanbul, you can then highlight it. Anatolia, then you can highlight it. Cappadocia, if you want something inside an important line, you can highlight it. Europe and Asia. So you can use this one, then the highlighted text will be shown in a different color in the video. Let's proceed. And the next screen, you have to choose a template. Let me clear this section. Here you'll be offered to choose a number of templates, which style you want to show on your video. If you choose this one, your subtitle will be shown in the red background and with white text. Here it will be shown in a blue background with white text, is yellow background with black text. These are pre-built design or styles, and here you see the text are coming from the left in the middle section, here from bottom, here from the middle, it's showing middle. So you can choose your own style, and definitely you can change these things later, but to save time you can use this. Okay, if I use corporate, then you can select. So one of the most advantageous thing is it's very easy to select which aspect ratio. If you want to upload your video for YouTube, then you can use 16:9 ratio, standard YouTube video aspect ratio. And if you want to upload for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, then you can use 9:16. And for Instagram, 1:1. It's visible that which aspect ratio you want, and you just see the sign It's horizontal shape, it's a vertical shape, and it's a square shape. And this is for Instagram. Let's continue. You can see the progress. Now you can see Pictory has generated the video for each of the scenes. On the left side, these are the scenes. You can see scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3, 4. Pictory has separated each of the sentences and created a different scenes. If you think that these are not relevant, or if you don't like the scene, you can change the scene, and I'll show this in the next lesson. Thank you.